can see it. Say me a overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, gotta be safe, why make you clean so? Oh, yeah, gotta be safe.
Good girl, goody.
Your bomber cloud.
So she brown, Sasha.
And this one is a high bleacher blood.
Your face, sir. I'll put an emoji.
No, I ain't saying it. No. Okay, so basically she's shutting the bag. What's the topic then? What's the topic?
This is squad. Squad.
It's got bedroom sex.
No.
Oh, it's probably Somalian. I can look at see the side of this. Somalian. Guarantee. Stop the Mo Farah. What did you say?
I wanna see that banana.
Oh my god, you didn't tell me it was before that phone.
What's going
Don't
on?
put that shit on there.
Sasha, you put this
He has to confirm whether or not I'm gonna get some.
Get what?
Why are you eating sweet popcorn?
Because I love it.
Oh.
Pia, where's my banana? I just said I want banana.
No, you
Can I have half a banana?
I can't eat banana unless I have
They want bananas in the morning.
I can. I want bananas all the time. Got some water?
Yeah.
Over there.
What do you need for to wash down your banana?
My phone is over there.
Do you want my charger? You can blow the whole place out. That's the type of charger I plugged in mine to the previous place and it blew down the whole house. Or the electric.
Tell you guys how I feel.
You finna too. You finna. Watch here. That's how I look pretty. Baby, I like your stuff. Serena used to be a model. Is she a model?
He used to. There we go, I ain't stopped.
Oh, she ain't stopped. Oh. If there's any agency.
Oh, you're actually videoing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everyone needs to go to Sainsbury's or Tesco's and get one of these. Right, my one's finished, but you get what I'm trying to say, it was nice.
Apparently.
Like, it was nice.
I need food in my life.
Baby, I like your style.
You know when you sat in the class with all elderly. Oh, fucking rude. That's fucking hell. And they come give you some nasty look too. Especially that
I
one
don't
over
like
there.
it people when they touch me. I think you could talk to me without touching me. Do not
I think that's
touch
just
me.
It's like, hi, we're getting
Like-
upset.
No, that you know what freaks me out. Some people hands them ain't clean. Like they got bad hands. Other people, oh, shake them off. Do you know what I mean? Is it just me? That song.
I haven't heard it. What's it called?
Mad. Something about bed. When I see my bed, I miss you. But it's listen. If I'm listening to that song, put it on. Like, Bussy, what happened? What happened this morning?
I'm sorry, you have to.
What
I
happened?
ain't gonna do it.
What happened this morning?
You have to blare a face.
No, I'll blare your face. I'll blare your face. Yeah, I'll put an emoji.
No, I ain't saying it. No. Okay, so basically she's shutting the bag. This
What? Say square.
But toilet plugged up since like 2 days. Wait, from last night and then this morning I needed to shit and I didn't shit for 2 days. So I'm like,
You
I
shut
took
the bag?
yeah.
What bag? A
They
plastic bag.
suggested it. You know, you need to go. And I came out and I'm like, Alex,
Did you swap?
2 days. Yeah, I put it on top of the toilet seat.
Oh.
And you know,
Where was Bay at this point?
They told her
he
to do it.
suggested it. It was like, babe, if you feel like you're gonna go out and shit yourself, you might as well just take the bag and just do it. I've done it once, and I'm like, he's like, when I was coming back from football, never have nourishment and sneakers, because apparently just, oh my god, this is still
Don't worry, they pass.
Girl, you better blub, blub, blub,
No, I
blub,
will.
all around, and the tattoo too.
Oh my god.
But he would though, because remember.
I know, shut night, hey, not on camera, not on camera.
Your bae is a different kind of bae. Anytime I'm like, you're not. I didn't say no names. I said any kind of bae. I'd be like, you're nasty. You go, shit, what did you do about
Oh,
it?
no, remember when
did that shit
Jamaica they had
happen?
pit toilet?
But wait. I used to use them when I was younger
I can't
in
remember pit
Jamaica.
toilet, you know.
I can. They
remember.
just.
I remember like going to my grand's village and having to use it, but like I know we didn't.
Yeah, pit toilet was nasty though, because everything
It's full of shit and,
And
it's
people
like
used to say there were like
flies.
snakes in there and things.
Like all the newspaper used to use wipe it out instead of tissue. Good broke times.
I can see why you was late just to go to uni this morning.
No, I was desperate. I was
don't blame you.
sweating everything, trying to put on contour, like upper lip set, and I said no, I can't do this. And then I smelled it too. And you know when you smell it, it makes you want even more. Each time I kept running out the room, fighting in the next room. I'm like.
You know it's love when you can just fart in front of your man.
And he don't feel no
And
kind
he
of
don't.
way.
You know that it's
I was
love.
doing a stretch and I let one rip before.
You
Ew.
did a stretch and you let one go. My
That was the first time.
My
And
thing.
from then on, it's just being a bit just like phone, just battles.
That's like when you.
I know where we're going to eat, guys.
I don't know. Anyway.
Where do you not want to eat? I want a big bowl of. Yeah, I want a big bowl of carbonara. Oh, that would be so nice right now.
Since I want you Italian.
Huh? I even had it when I was in Jamaica. The closest Wagamama is
You know what far that is?
up there.
Holborn.
No, it's in Holborn. It's the closest one. No, but I want a carbonara.
No, I want one away. I'm lazy like that.
I said they got buses.
Closer than Valley.
To where?
Yeah.
No, one of my clients.
I know I don't feel for no Weatherspoon. Weatherspoon is just
Dead in it.
dead.
Yeah.
I don't want no. Yeah. I want something proper. Like
She wants Caribbean food.
I wouldn't mind, but I want Italian right now. Spaghetti carbonara. Oh, say my name. Yes, I'm hungry.
God, make it come.
So big.
Please say man, let me hold it back now.
You know, drop man out, innit? Swear down. Swear down. They disowned me.
No, my head looks really big on camera, you know. My head that big in real life.
No, you tiny as shit.
See? Tiny as shit.
So guys, what are we going to do? What do you want? Technically, all over the place.
I just need something in my mouth.
Better than your mind. I'm joking.
I should say my battery.
Yeah, you should. Or something.
Come on, girl.
Older one, I don't give a fuck. So, don't pay my bill.
Yes. Good day, girl. Good day.
That's all I want.
Go on, Christine. Girl. Till I be garden. Wait, no man. You want to catch this on YouTube?
Just keep browsing outside the register.
It's good to start from before. If not, some people would miss up.
Yes, but I was up there. I picked you up to sign it. So what is the problem?
The problem is some people might miss out. But
Sign
if we
register
start
and
from
pass
the
it.
front and
Or maybe next time, if you want to register, pick it up from the front and then let it start like that. Don't then have an issue.
Are we
Yeah, that's why she
college or
picked
we in
it
high
up.
school or what? What we in? Uni, innit? It seems like everyone in there
We're
got
all going to
issues.
sign it. I don't understand what the
It seems
issue
like
is,
everyone in there got
please.
issues.
Can we just relax?
What the issues?
It's a register. It shouldn't even be an issue like that.
Second day back, and there's beef in the classroom.
I know my mom, like if she was in this lesson, she wouldn't give a fuck. What part of you talking has to affect her? Can't you not still listen? Can you not still see the teacher? Are you taking out of the class and like taking out somewhere else?
The deepest thing is that we weren't even screaming. We were
Exactly. It's whispers, like on the actual like. But this is how you know that this like is strong.
It
because
is.
even
Even
with
say
whispers, they hear it loud.
and they sit. That, especially that woman behind us. I don't know who she is. I don't know
one that's
her.
got the tab here,
Yeah, I don't know
I've been
where she
waiting for her
fucking
since
come
Wednesday.
from. But she's been eyeing people up since we came to class on Wednesday.
Wednesday.
She watched. She then got up and then she
Even
knew.
before we spoke.
And then she kept
Even
watching.
before we spoke.
Especially today when winning this morning, she kept looking over. Looking. Even
She
Sasha,
didn't stop.
Even
She just moved her
Sasha.
whole body like.
Even Sasha was just like, why does she keep looking over? What her problem
Sasha is funny.
Sasha's
blew
ready
us
for
today.
I love Sasha. I love Sasha more than I love. Listen, when it comes to Sasha, yeah, I feel like she keeps it.
Yeah,
you know?
she does.
She
Sasha's
wears her
real.
heart.
She does.
You see nice Sasha because you're being nice to her.
If you're nasty,
you be
she'll
nasty,
give it.
she will be.
No.
Yo, Sasha's mouth
I was like, I was like, yo. I was like, bro, Sasha, where did that come from?
But I like that because
Because
you're
they
standing
piss her
strong
off.
for your brown light. You ain't done nothing wrong.
Sasha's a grown woman.
No, what I found funny was a register. You're getting mad
Fucking
about
register. She actually got. It was like, no, but she just.
But then the
announced
same woman that was speaking to you there was the same woman sat like this, two separate tables, and she was looking over, had her whole body turned over, and she was screwing. The minute it got to us, what did she do? She got up and came over there. So I'm thinking, why are people who wanted to wait now coming over signing the register? Why are you guys not waiting then?
No, I'm
It's
telling
mad,
you,
it's
this
mad.
class is a whole.
But
and
one
Grace
person does something
today when I
and
was
it's
just like,
analysed.
oh yeah, we should go on. I didn't say it out loud for the man to hear me. I just said,
was like, we just
she's
got
like,
here.
we just got. I did not say it so you can hear me. We can go on break, but don't try and whisper it because I heard what you said. And it's not like she said it in a way that you wouldn't. She's like, oh well, we just. Thinking, I heard what you said.
Yeah.
Never do
There's just no
healthcare.
need for it.
Never do healthcare.
Don't
'cause you're
ever
gonna be
do
full
healthcare
And you're gonna be surrounded with aunties.
by bare aunties that think just because you're younger than them, you ain't supposed to say nothing. Don't open your mouth until they say so, or until they're talking.
Right.
But that's
They
not how
don't
it's
like
brought up.
Jamaicans, full stop.
They don't like us.
They
They
don't
like
like
fucking
us.
do
They
not
don't
like us.
And because we're young as well.
We're like we aren't the only Jamaicans
Wait,
in here.
when we first started, then the
But I
guys was like,
told
oh,
you.
go follow my son's mixtape.
Yeah.
We're
Yeah, do you remember? That's what I'm thinking. So how come now you can't
If I
It's
don't
the
have a
switch up.
mixtape-
It's the switch up. She was trying to keep the peace because I'm telling you before, the Caribbean aunties were there, the African
Yeah, they
aunties
didn't
were
want
there.
nothing.
When there's two sets of aunties, they all have to clash and get together some way or another.
It's 'cause
But
it's
now
not-
that it's taken
just
out,
because it's
they
just
want to phase
predominantly
us
Jamaican,
straight.
African. There's predominantly only Africans in this classroom.
Even I'm overwhelmed. I've never been in a room
Filled
full
with
of so much
African
Africans.
aunties. Oh my god, I never
They want
get
you
about
to lick
African.
their batty. That's
Yeah,
what
of
They
course.
do, you're supposed
But
to
this is
because
exactly
they're older.
no, but this is exactly how they act when you're one with their son, with their children or whatever. They want to
Oh,
control
wonder
your
why
life.
African
But yet we're in
women-
the same class. I don't know
Not
your
me.
son. I don't know your kids. I owe you
I don't
nothing.
know
We're
you.
in the place of education.
Exactly.
Simple.
So that
And if
woman
you can
there,
chit chat, I can chit chat too.
No, we're not supposed to. Be quiet.
we're meant to be.
Is he young boy? How old is he? Maybe 8?
7, 8.
7, 8, yeah?
most,
Yeah. How do you let him go like this on a bike? What
And then when
happens?
something happens now.
If something goes mistake, he makes silly mistakes, and then what happens? And who's to blame? You see, look at the young boy. You know, he's probably Somalian. I can see the side of this. Somalian. Guarantee. Stop the car and ask him. Guarantee. Actually, 100% I can challenge you. I have good eyes, you know.
He looks about 6 though. He
He
doesn't
looks
look older
okay.
than us.
He's a tambola, I know. He's a mini Mo Farah. Mini Mo Farah.
What did you say?
Mini Mo Farah.
That's a good one.
No, I'm dying. I'm
Looks
dying.
like him for real. You really have good eyes, you know.
You see?
You've got good eyes.
I can tell you, my dear.
Oh my god.
Sometimes you have to laugh. Come on, I have a joke.
Yeah.
I didn't say he looks like
Sort of
a
a sense of
mini
humor.
Mo Farah, you know?
Yeah.
Mad. Woo!
Wow.
In 600 feet, turn
good though. This Mo Farah is very, very good.
Oh yeah, it is. It makes this country proud, isn't it?
Very, very proud. Very proud. Team was on board, two crazy guys. So sick, everything they win. It's
true.
very nice. It's good though.
It's good.
We want that, don't we? It's very
Yeah.
excellent, you know. It's a great athlete. I let you off, don't worry. He understood what he did. He realized, you see. It's nice when somebody put their hand up.
Yeah,
Sorry,
apologize,
my.
yeah.
See, this is nice. You don't mind going. You don't need to toot at him. The man knows what he done. Thank you. Expected. Thank you. No worries. It's all give and take, isn't it? Be courteous. It's gonna be rude. It's not nice. It was an Englishman in Horn because he said he saw a foreigner. He wants to show he's a big man. Doesn't know people like him kicking his ass. I know that. Oh, I done so many times. I had two white boys about 3 years ago. Maybe 18 or 19. They sit in the car, yacht man, yeah man, they're talking nonsense. They're putting the music full up, yeah? I said, man, put your food there. He said, I'm paying the money, blood, what's your problem? I said, my problem? No problem. So we're driving on the North Circle. I went to 70 and I braked the car.
I forget. No.
I jumped the car,
You can't
the
do
bang! I said, that's my problem, out. Move. He said, you're rude. I said, no, I'll throw you out. Just get out my car, move.
Good.
I come here, put the whole music, it's like, whole your window is shaking like this. What's the point? I said, cut down, listen.
In the
This
green
is
room
good
on the
enough for
way.
me. No. I can't drive the car.
No.
What's wrong with you? You're
Can't
telling me,
concentrate like that,
you're
innit?
telling me, it's not concentration. You see people looking at you. You look like a stupid man. You know, you have to respect people.
True.
You see, there's a road. Be wise, be courteous, yeah? We all want to go home, we all want to enjoy. I was young too. I used to play loud music, but that doesn't mean it's going to break my eardrums. That's not nice. So I tell you politely, you tell me it's your car, you paying for the money? Well, you can get your money and get lost. Move. I dropped him on the way. I'm going to miss my flight. I'm going to complain. Do what you like. Goodbye. I phoned the office. They don't send me the stupid twats again. They know me very well. Yeah.
70 and break. It's 70 and break.
Right, bang! There, did they hit one another? None of us hit belt on. I looked at it. No belt. Don't worry. And I'll make sure they learn properly.
Good lesson.
They think you're a slave. Just because you're doing a cab.
Yeah, that's true.
He said, I'm paying for the money, I can do what I like. No, you can't.
No, you have to respect.
Oh man, I'm doing
property.
this job before you and your mom spends. Don't tell me you're 17 or 18 maximum. I'm doing this job 27 years. Don't tell me this nonsense. You know, one day, I think about 5 years ago, this Irish girl, you know, they're very cocky. 3 of them. If you see 3 girls, and one of them a different color, there's always a problem. Trust me. 2 is best, 4 is best. Soon as you have 3 girls or 3 guys, there's a problem. Either 2 black, 1 girl, 1 Chinese, whatever the race, Asian, whatever. There's always a problem. Tap, 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 tap. All they talk about their boyfriends and arguments. Okay, I don't need to hear as a cus driver, yeah? So you're fighting or screaming, one sits in the front, they're fighting, okay? Please calm down, girls. Because you know, they're like your protege.
Yeah.
Come on, calm down. Okay, chill out, man. The one in the back says, yeah? No problem. Before they're down, it's got so nasty, they start playing with their hairs, yeah? Now how can I drive the car? Tell me.
They're pulling each other's hair.
Hell yeah.
Oh, no,
And the
that's-
car's going everywhere.
Yeah.
So I stopped the car and I said, get out. Get out my car. Silly swats, out. Out. Just get out. 2 left. One said, now what are you going to do? I'm not going to get out. I said, why? Are you not going to get out? Fine, stay there. I locked the car and start walking. She's banging my window. I said, no. And I said to her, you know you're charging. I'm charging you for waiting time. Don't worry, you'll be paying a lot later. 10 minutes gone. She's frustrated. I put the window down, you know, I got control in my car. You can't open it from inside. I locked it. 10 minutes later, I said, what have you decided? Are you going to get out? She said, how much I owe you? Before I said anything. I said, 18 pounds. Well, I thought they said 12. I had £6 for waiting time. He left, slammed the door, said goodbye. That's it. This is the problem. You want to be nice to people, they think you're an idiot.
Yeah.
They think you're so low that you do drive for them. They don't realize that we do our best to get you safe, time, honor you. You should respect me.
Of course.
But these people don't. This is what the problem is. They think that they're too big for the shoes because they have no family. This is the problem. This is what you see every day. You see this thing incident happens and you thought myself, thank God your kids are not like them.
Yeah, that's true.
This is what you see. Yesterday, this 14 years old girl has been abandoned in Oxford. At 8:25, they grabbed her two guys and raped the girl.
Really?
Yes, 14 years ago in Oxford. Don't you know? You heard?
14 years ago?
Yeah. No, 14 years girl yesterday in
I
Oxford.
haven't seen the news.
Oh, it's huge news. It's been going for the last 2 days. And when you go young kids, you tell them, make sure you're careful. Because, these are the things happens. They're broad light. So this is a problem. But the thing is, when they show in news, she looks 20. She's going to school, she's got like a mini skirt that you can see everything. So you are asking problem. This is what had happened. Like many years ago, I think about 12 years ago, a lady was raped, he's gone to the court and the judge ordered, it's down to you. You dressed to be raped. And the judge was sacked because he told the truth. You see, you have to discipline yourself. If you don't discipline, you start working 10 o'clock at night with your short mini skirts on a drink on your hand. Hi boys, there was a comment, darling, sit down. Can I talk to you? There are a lot of evils up there. So you have to respect yourself. You see, people don't see these things. These are very major issues that if you'll see yourself, you probably hear, yeah? Why you want to be like that? Why can't you be respectable? The person who doesn't respect themselves, how do you expect them to respect others?
Yeah.
You see, these are the things that you always see. Over my years, I've seen so many things. I pick up so many students. So many. Every week, maybe 6 or 7. I do every day almost. Every week. Some are good like you guys, It's like majority are very, because once you go to uni, you start more disciplined. But there are loose characters as well, yeah? And this is the thing. They don't last anyway. I said to one girl, again, a few months ago, why do you go uni? What you studying? So she said, I'm doing knitting and sewing. So I knew straight away. I said, that's a loser's case, ma'am. I said, that's a loser. She said, what do you mean? I said, you go to uni to learn knitting and sweating. Do you get any job? Do you think, what are you going to give? She said, no, there's something that interests me. I said, why can't you do something better? You go to uni, you do that. What does that mean? Is there a job in your eyes? Tell me. Would you get a job doing knitting and sweating? Tell me. I don't think so. All you do is be bleeding in your finger, every thing in your nails. That's what you be doing. Loser, why'd you go to uni? You could pick up any subject and do much better. Oh, I didn't know. My mom died. My dad doesn't live with us. I said, okay, the social, they're giving you money. Do something better. She said, nobody told me. I said, don't think me I'm your father. Go tomorrow and check things. 7 months later, I saw her. She said she changed her subject. Thank you very much. She hugged me. I said, what are you doing now? She said, I'm doing business study. I said, at least you get somewhere now. So, these are the things you see. So you have to sometimes be nice to people and advise them. Depends how you take it. Some people will mind. Somebody I probably she said, I thought she probably said, mind your own business. Do you get it? But she didn't say that. She see a sense what I'm trying to tell her.
Yeah.
Because her mom ran away and the father obviously, can't look after the kids all the time. Nobody advised her to do something. So as he told her, she was very happy. She changed her subject. Wow, that was nice. These little things makes a big difference in people's lives. Not every people is bad. You cannot judge somebody if someone bites, just because they are there. You have to respect people. Yeah, almost a mile to go.
Then turn left. Turn left. Then turn left onto Sterling Road.
Beautiful area. How long you been living here?
8 years.
8 years.
Going
Have
9.
you always lived in this side or
No, I used to live in Edmonton before.
where?
Edmonton.
Edmonton.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's where my sister lives.
Oh.
In near 4th Street?
Yeah, near there.
Oh. They live, there's a Indian restaurant called Chowdhury's.
Oh yeah,
The corner?
that big one.
Yes, that's right. Right on the other side they live.
Okay.
Turn right onto Dunbar Road.
But they bought another house in Islington now, so they moved there.
Well, that's
She was up
lovely.
at work. She's gone to Rondesbury Park,
Mm.
which is a nice area.
In 500 feet, turn right onto White Hart Lane. Then turn left.
What's a good one, isn't it? No, I think he's slightly racist. I need to cut out half what he said on this vlog.
No, not even cut.
True.
Just put that emoji over
Because
my
if his
face.
company catches
Oh my god, then I'm losing trust.
that big 41,000 that he pays his kids to go to school, yeah?
Oh my god. That was a good conversation.
No, it was funny.
It was fun.
You could tell he's slightly prejudiced, slightly prejudiced. So now you have a long journey today.
Oh yeah.
Say bye, vlog.
Bye bye.
No.
Tell Denise I said hi. I'm coming. I'm coming.
All right, darling. See you later. Yeah, for real. All right, honey. Oh, you not? Oh, that's good then. See you later, babe. See? Yeah. Bye, babe. Oh, you're making me laugh. I don't know. My mom actually might not be home. Let me go call her.
Everybody can see it. Say me a overdo it, oh yeah. Aye, gotta be safe, why make you clean so